No-sew adhesives make it easy to apply decorative trim to finished projects or update furniture and accessories. There are a few options for applying trim with adhesive: iron-on tape, press and stick double-sided tape, and liquid adhesive. To apply the iron-on adhesive tape, cut a strip the length needed and iron it to the back of the trim. Peel the paper backing off, position it on the fabric, place the press cloth on top, and press with an iron set on a medium heat without steam. Because the trim is thick, a final pressing on the back side of the fabric will assure a firmer hold. To use peel and stick tape, cut a strip of the tape the length needed and apply the sticky side to the back of the trim by pressing in place. Peel off the paper backing and press the trim on the project where desired. Press into place. For a more permanent bond, apply light pressure with an iron on the wool setting for 15 to 20 seconds. Applying liquid fabric glue adhesive is a good choice where a heavier trim is being applied, such as the bullion fringe. Simply apply the glue to the back of the trim and place the trim on the fabric. It dries in 30 minutes. If needed, a few straight pins can be used to hold the trim in place until the glue dries.